Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change fan speed on Nvidia graphics card. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. Simply type in Nvidia MSI Afterburner on your browser, then press enter. Open up the first page. That's gonna take you over to the MSI Afterburner section. It is basically an overclocking software which you can know and modify everything about your graphics card and fan speed. Click on download Afterburner and then wait for a few seconds. Then that's gonna take you over to the download page. As soon as it is downloaded, just simply open up the application on your computer and then simply install it on your computer. It's gonna be installed in like a few seconds, and after that, you can just simply start modifying everything. You can see here different options like power limit. You can pump in more power to the graphics card. You can also change the fan power here by simply moving this particular button again, depending upon how much speed you want. If for some reason the fan speed is faded out, just simply click this A button and you guys will be able to change the fan speed. That is how you guys can change the fan speed on your Nvidia graphics card. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye!